I'm Georgios Kafanas, and I'd like to thank the organizers and the collaborators in this piece of work. So it's work done with a master student and our system administration, Julien, at our site. So for those of you who were here at this morning, we've seen how you can build you can build FEniCS to use it in some, let's say, system. Now in this talk, I'm going to focus more on how you can create a development environment for FEniCS. So how you can start from scratch in a new system, install all the required dependencies, and provide tests that can ensure that the compilation and any changes you make to FEniCS, for instance, are done correctly. This follows some generic documentation for EasyBuild, where you can see how you can set it up and how you can start compiling things with it. So a few some quick revision for those who were not here this morning. So we have EasyBuild. It's a source package manager. So it's basically a way to manage and install software on your machines from scratch, from the source code. And then Easy is a framework that builds on top of EasyBuild, and it's designed to distribute software on demand. So basically think it as streaming software. So you just you just access the software, and it automatically loads the components of the binaries that you actually need. Okay, so how we combine these two? So we start with EasyBuild. So for EasyBuild, you describe the installation of your software package using some files called EasyConfigs. And they contain some standard components. So they start with a package name and version. They provide some information on the compilers that will be used to compile this package. For instance, here we compile with MVCC, and we link with CUDA as well to use GPUs. And then we provide some information, so how to source the software. And finally, some options, so some compilation flags and other things, and also dependencies of our software. Okay, now Easy is basically takes software that was pre-compiled using this kind of recipes and makes it available through a module command. So basically, this directory where all this network directory, all the software is installed, is loaded in our machine, and then we can, if it's set up by the system administrators in our site, we can just call module load easy and the version of easy that we want. There are currently two versions, I think 2023 and 2025. And from there on, we can load any module, like for instance, a compiler. So here I just load the GCC compiler. Now, this is some work in progress. It's still in beta, as you can see. They provide some Python module that you can pip install, and you can set up easy on your machine. So effectively, you can have the same exact development environment both in the HPC and in your local machine. Now, how do we use this Easy to install software? Easy provides a special package. Let me see. Called EasyExtend. So if you want to compile software, the only thing you need to do is load EasyExtend, and then it will automatically set up your system to start building software with EasyBuild. And all the software that is compiled this way is stored in the local directory under your home. So it's in home/e/easy, effectively. Now, how do you actually compile using Easy? So Easy is not just a collection of compilers, it's effectively also a containerization layer. So what this means is when you compile with Easy, you don't link with your local linker. EasyBuild ships their own linker. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, EasyBuild ships their own linker. So, okay. Sorry. Yes, this here. So, and this linker ensures that when you link with the actual with the binary shipped by Easy and not with local binaries. After that, when you load this EasyExtend module, you only get access to these three modules here. So you have EasyBuild and EasyExtend, so the correct linkers. If you want to compile software, you have two options. Either you start loading compilers, like on top of the EasyExtend module. Like for instance, here you can load the FOSS toolchain, which is this is a compiler, and OpenMPI. And they provide a wrapper module that loads both the EasyExtend and the FOSS toolchain with this environment module here. And you can also, instead of compiling manually, you can also manage the compilation with EasyBuild. So as you can see, when we load EasyExtend, we have EasyBuild directly available in our environment. Now I have started, and I've made an effort to compile the latest version of FEniCS. It's still under development, let's say. So this is how you write a typical EasyConfig for FEniCS. So again, you provide some information like the name of the package, how to fetch the package, its dependencies, and then some compilation flags. And then you can use EasyBuild to build it. Some things to note, if you plan to ship your software with Easy, they ship without, they avoid restrictive software licenses. So for instance, things like Parameters that has a more restrictive license is avoided in official builds of FEniCS. Yes, and after that, you can just call the EasyBuild command and it compiles your software. But apart from that, what is really nice with Easy is that you can also use it in CI/CD jobs. Easy provides a workflow which is available in this directory, in this repository, sorry. And this is a workflow for GitHub, where basically it's a container with Easy already installed, and you can use it to compile your software. So as you can see here, I load the EasyExtend module. I unset the debug flag because let's say I need a production build, and then with calling eb, just the EasyBuild command, I can build the my executable for FEniCS, for Dolphin, sorry, Dolphin-X. And I can upload this in this directory in any GitHub, in any Git repo. And after uploading in GitHub, I have this, let's say, workflow will run, and it will compile FEniCS. Now, something very useful with this kind of workflows is that you can extend it and add tests, like smoke tests, to detect regressions and also performance regressions as well. And if you want to contribute, let's say, your work back to Easy, they require some specific format of these tests. So the people there tend to use Reframe. So Reframe is just a testing framework that runs any kind of test in HPC platforms. So the basic characteristic of Reframe is that it separates the description of the test from the description of the platform. So you write your tests as you would normally. You provide a description of them, and then you ship them with your software. And then people in Easy, they have Reframe tests, so they have a set of platform with their description. And then these tests run automatically for each one of these platforms whenever you push your code. And Preframe does that using a very simple workflow like here. So it just selects its test. It checks if the current platform on which you are running supports this test, and then it runs it. So compiles, runs the test, check the sanity, so if there is any fatal error, and also it can test performance so that you can catch performance regressions. Yes, so that was an overview of the easy, let's say, development environment. Thank you very much.
Okay, any questions? Well, as I understand it, EasyBuild is supposed to be rolled out across the EuroHPC machines.
Yes.
So at the moment, how many can I log into and use FEniCS on, and how many? What's the prognosis? How long do I have to wait for all to have it?
It's getting better. It's getting better. So it took us like a couple of months to compile FEniCS 0.9. Yeah. Like I just popped in last week with 0.10 or 11, sorry.
And now we know how to do it. We
Yeah.
can roll the releases.
Yeah.
Right, but is it equally easy to do it on every machine? Because I guess there's architectural differences between them.
Well, they compile again for every machine. So, and because of the tests, they catch any errors. So, of course, let's say not all machines are the same. So, some tests will fail for some architectures, and then people in Easy just go and investigate what went wrong, and we fix it. Yep.
Yes, Paul.
Is there a possibility to take it off of the GitHub branch, so let's say the development branches, instead of a fixed release?
To Easy, I think they prefer tags.
Okay, because I'm thinking about if it has perfect CI integration, we could run our integration tests on the HPCs.
Yeah, you can run.
We would need development tracking.
Yeah, no, in that case, you just run your tests on your own machine. It's fine. Yep. Yes?
Yes, so you showed it being used in a CI step, and I wondered how long the jobs take to come up using Easy. Is it fast?
No, it's quite fast because it's a container.
Right.
It has already all the software installed, and as we add more software in the Easy repo itself, in the Easy distribution itself, it will need to compile even less software every time you build.
Isn't it many gigabytes? Or can it pull software off in a kind of clever way?
Yeah, it's because it uses CVFS. It's effectively streaming. It only pulls the.
Oh, that's very clever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's interesting.
Okay, thank you, Georgios.
Thank you.